दस्ताने पहनकर वापस आने की तैयारी तो कर रहे थे, पर उनका वापस आना निश्चित नहीं लग रहा था। टीम इंडिया में घायलों की संख्या बढ़ती जा रही थी। ऑस्ट्रेलिया की ऐसी गेंदबाजी को देखते हुए उसका जीतना बहुत हद तक मुमकिन दिख रहा था।
I stepped out and hit Nathan Lyon over the top. And Vihari quietly came up to me and said, I hope you know I'm injured. Oh, yeah. I am also injured. After I hit the shot, I realized the back is paining. Don't worry. I'll settle down.
दोनों खिलाड़ी इंजर्ड थे और उनके पास ब्लॉक करने के अलावा कोई चारा नहीं था। ये ब्लॉक्स सिंगल्स के लिए नहीं थे, क्योंकि रन निकालने की कोई गुंजाइश दिख ही नहीं रही थी।
And I just kept telling myself, whatever happens, go forward. Just go forward, get hit. Go forward, get hit. With the amazing back flexibility you are having at this point of time, you are gone. So at least try and take your feet forward. If you get hit, it's fine. It's fine. I get hit on the elbow guard and I get given out. And I'm like, take the review, take one back. So it gets reversed. And I go to Vihari and said, I'll take Pat Cummins on. You keep taking Hazelwood on. Hazelwood was bowling an area which was up there and thereabouts, and the ball was nibbling. I said, no, that I can't do. That is too much. That's out of syllabus. This I can do. I can get hit.
अश्विन आउट होने से तो बच रहे थे, पर शरीर पर लगती गेंदों से नहीं। टीम इंडिया कब तक टिक पाएगी, ये इन दोनों बल्लेबाजों की सहनशीलता पर निर्भर था। कंगारू हर कोशिश कर रहे थे। विकेट नहीं तो वार। चोटों का सिलसिला जारी था।
Pat Cummins was bowling a spell like you could feel like this guy is out there to kill. He was not getting you out. He was killing you. Like he was going for your throat.
Oh, that hurt. You could hear it. Inside edge onto the ribs there, I reckon. Ouch.
And when I get hit, right, Matthew Wade starts making fun. He's like, and all that in front of my face. And I get like, he's making a Mickey out of this. And I must show who I am. And I go, I'm telling you, I have not gone into such a zone in my life before or after. And I go into a zone of saying it's you or me. You have to die on the field. If that's what is demanded of you, you have to. So I just go into that zone, and I'm telling you, I haven't been in that zone.
Indians tend to be very good when their backs are to the wall and they're fighting to not lose face. And then you've got someone like R. Ashwin, very strong-minded player. He's able to harness the power of his mind really well, and he would have been nurturing that innings through as they were going.
Flies through all the way down to the boundary.
I remember just thinking, if they get away with a draw out of this test match, I'd be pretty frustrated knowing how much we felt like we'd bore them down.
We expected Australia to win that game. Australia, we kept saying, the best bowling attack in the world. Ashwin and Vihari, no one saw that coming. Blocking them out, frustrating them. You could detect the strain in the Australian side at that point.
To be playing in an international game and to have two guys swapping chest guards, I found was pretty unprofessional. And for the umpires to allow them to do it, that really annoyed me, I'm not going to lie. The swapping of gloves and the wasting of time.
अश्विन और विहारी का तालमेल इतना अच्छा हो गया था कि बारी-बारी से दोनों चेस्ट गार्ड की अदला-बदली